What's the meaning of co-signatory? Co-signatory. Co-signatory.
Co-signatory. Co-signatory. A co-signatory is a person who signs a document, such as a contract or loan agreement, alongside another person. By signing together, they both agree to be bound by the terms of the document, and are jointly responsible for fulfilling its obligations. This arrangement is often used when one party doesn't have sufficient credit or authority to be approved on their own. As co-signatories are equally responsible, any breach of the document's terms will affect both parties equally, and any legal action taken will also need to involve both parties.